Hello, witches and wizards. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing Bellatrix LeStrange from Harry Potter. She is one of my favorite characters of all time. I really love Helena Bonham Carter. She was married to Tim Burton. They have kids together. She's one spooky ass bitch, okay, and I am down with that. So I have done Bellatrix before in the past, but a lot of these looks I'm doing this season I have done in the past, but I feel like my, talent has really grown, and I want to recreate these characters and see how much more accurate and much more my style that I have now that I can get to, if that makes sense. So basically I just put down a tinted moisturizer from NYX Cosmetics because I don't want a lot of coverage. Obviously Bellatrix don't give a hoot or a hollerin' about makeup, okay? So I just wanted to have like an even complexion though. So I just put down a tinted moisturizer, a little concealer, and now I'm just setting my face with this Urban Decay foundation powder, excuse me. I'm using my Lunatick Labs Cosmetics contour palette for pretty much the whole contouring process. This look really is just about changing your face shape more so and making it resemble Bellatrix's face shape, which is kind of hard. Not gonna lie, I did stare at about 10 pictures of her for like 2 hours, so I really tried to mimic it as best as I could. But yeah, it's just about a lot of contouring and going in with different shades and really like bringing out deeper areas and then bringing out higher areas. So I'm going in with a really dark contour shade now to kind of make my cheeks look a lot more hollowed, and also like the sides of my temples. And then I'm using this Lunatick Labs Cosmetics Descendant palette. And this is what I'm using for my eyes. Her eyes are really just like dark and hollowed out. Like, I mean, she's been in Azkaban for however long, okay? She hasn't seen the light of day. She hasn't probably showered. Who knows if she's slept? She's crazy. You know what I mean? She's got some bags, honey. All right. I'm just filling in my eyebrows a little bit with this Anastasia brow definer pencil, just because, yeah, she's got eyebrows and I kind of don't, so just filling that in a little bit. I'm not going crazy at all. Then I'm taking my P. Louise base, and I just wanted to clean up the brows just a little bit because I think I made them a tad bit too thick, you know? Then I'm just going in with more of the shadow. I'm just trying to create a really dark eye and make it look really sunken in. And again, I'm just looking at a bunch of pictures of Helena Bonham Carter as Bellatrix to try to mimic her eye shape, her cheeks, all of that. I'm just trying to mimic it as best as I can while also keeping it like flattering to my face, if that makes sense. Next, I'm taking a brown pencil and I am just kind of like tightlining my upper lash line and just making it a little bit more darker, on the edges there, and then just trying to make it darker on the inner corner as well without adding too much liner and making it look like liner. You know what I mean? And then I do just kind of smudge it out with the brown that I used for my eyeshadow. Also just doing some more contouring, like my nose, my lips, all that stuff. Her lips are definitely the thing that stands out the most to me when I look at her picture. She doesn't really have like a Cupid's bow, so I try to mimic that as much as I can. You know, I'm just kind of going back and forth in different areas and adding things that I like. You know, the further you go along, the more you notice you need to add things, so it's just kind of trial and error, you know? I'm using my Color Set powder from Mayron, and I'm just baking underneath my contour because I feel like it needed to be a little bit more sharp to give that hollowed out effect. And also I wanted my under eye area to be a little bit brighter, not the bags necessarily, but like around the sides of my nose. I feel like it needed to be brighter. Now I'm adding mascara. I am going to do a pair of false lashes, but they're very natural looking. I just wanted to add a little something because of like pictures and things like that, you know, but I really love the false lashes I end up putting on. I think it looks perfect. Now I'm just lining my lips a little bit and adding some details around my lips to kind of mimic her lip shape. I end up going in more later and adding more like contour to the lips, I guess you could say. And now I'm popping on these lashes. They are super, super natural, but they do just give that little extra something. I feel like lashes always just add that one little tiny detail that you feel like you're missing. Lashes are always good, guys. I love lashes. Next, I'm taking this Mystifying Mattifying powder from Lunatick Labs Cosmetics, and this is where I start highlighting instead of using an actual highlight that has shimmer, because obviously Bellatrix ain't got no sparkle on her face, okay? So I'm adding highlight to the cheekbones to make the sunken in areas look more sunken in, you know? Adding a little bit of red shadow to my eyes just for some depth. Popped on my wig and my accessories, and I'm using my Lunatick Labs lipstick. Oh, I forgot what shade this is, but I will have it down in the description box. It's just a neutral nude color, just to add a little something. And then I'm just taking this NYX Cosmetics liner, and I am doing her tattoo. I can't remember if I did this backwards or not. I might have messed up, but you know what? I did my best, okay? That's all that matters. But that's totally it for this tutorial, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Harry Potter is near and dear to my heart and has been for so many years. I really enjoy doing this, and yes, that is Lord Voldemort's wand. Okay, that's the only wand I have, so don't talk crap to me, okay? She is obsessed with Lord Voldemort. It might make a little bit of sense. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying my spooky Halloween tutorials, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.